everyone. In this video I am going to give the introduction part of the experiment XNOR and XOR logic gate. So the name of this experiment is XNOR or XOR logic gate. The aim of this experiment is to study about these two gates and verify their truth tables. So what is XNOR gate? So first we'll look over it. So XNOR gate is a two input gate which has two input port and one output port. So it is a gate in which output is high when both the two inputs are unequal and output is low when both the two inputs are equal. Similarly, XNOR gate is another logic gate in which that also have two input and one output, and on XNOR gate if output is low when both the two inputs are equal, that means it is opposite to the XOR gate. Now we will see the circuit diagram for both these two. So this is basically the logical symbol for XOR gate, and this one is the XNOR gate logical symbol. And it is the circuit diagram for XOR gate realization. So for this we need one OR or NOT gate is needed. Next, the first input is we give the input to the NOT gate, then that output is given to the AND gate, and B, the second input is given here, it is B, so it is also given to the AND gate. Next, there is another AND gate is here, so that gate is used, so this is the second AND gate. So here also two input is given, one is first input is given directly and the second input is given with an opposition, that is a bypassing to a NOT gate. The input is given to the AND gate. Next, so from the two AND gate we will give two output, so that two output is given to the OR gate. So this is the circuit diagrammatic realization of XOR gate. Again, this one is the circuit diagrammatic representation of this is for circuit diagrammatic representation for XNOR gate. So here also first two AND gate and two NOT gate, again finally it is given a OR gate. So here also in the first AND gate the two inputs are given directly, and for the second AND gate the two inputs are taken as NOT gate. That means we have to take the opposition of the two input, and that two input is given as input to the AND gate, second AND gate, and the two output from both the two AND gate is given to the OR gate. So like this we can verify the truth table. That means whether in XOR gate if we whether we are getting a zero input zero output value for when we have put input as 0 0 0, and for XNOR gate whether we are getting one input one output for when the two input are equal. So that we can verify experimentally. So in my next video I will show this experiment in details. So thank you everyone.